Today I'm breaking down everything that was said in the official Gemini 2.5 technical report for you. This includes their newest edition, the 2.5 Flash-Lite model. So if you're curious about the future of AI and how it's getting smarter, faster, and more secure, stick around, as I'm about to unpack what's new, what's powerful, and what it all means for developers, business owners, and everyday users. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Will. I spent over a decade in tech helping teams automate and streamline their internal workflows to save time and operate more efficiently. So if you have any questions, check out setupdoc.com or email me directly at will@setupdoc.com. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Now let's talk about Gemini 2.5. This is Google's most advanced AI model family yet. It built on the success of Gemini 2.0, but this release isn't just about being bigger. It's about being smarter, with better reasoning and stronger coding abilities, and the ability to tackle real-world complex tasks more effectively. Now, Gemini 2.5 actually comes in 3 versions, each one with a different strength. You have your Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is the flagship model. This one is designed for deep reasoning and handling more advanced workflows. Then you have Gemini 2.5 Flash. This one's built for speed and efficiency. And finally, Flash-Lite. This is the newest and most affordable option, perfect if you need fast, real-time output at scale. So let's take a look at what makes Gemini 2.5 different under the hood. To start, it introduces what Google's calling a thinking model. Instead of just spitting out answers, Gemini 2.5 can reason through problems, draw logical conclusions, and actually understand what it's doing. This makes it way more reliable for complex problem solving, and especially if you're working with tricky prompts or layered information. It's also a multimodal, which means that it can handle text, images, audio, video, and even full code repositories. For example, you could upload a spreadsheet, a video clip, and a PDF, and Gemini can analyze all of the different file types and connect all the dots. This is like giving your AI context from every angle, and it can easily understand it. Now, when it comes to the context window, Gemini 2.5 supports up to 1 million tokens, and Google says that 2 million are on the way. This means that you can have huge conversations with it, enter entire data sets, hours of video, massive code bases, and all in one go, with no need to chop things up or simplify anything. Now, when it comes to benchmarks and performance, Gemini 2.5 Pro isn't just smarter, but according to the report, it's setting records. In terms of reasoning, it's topping major benchmarks. It scored an 88% on the AIME 2025 math competition and even took a lead on humanities last exam, which is all about deep knowledge-based problem solving. On the coding front, it's just as impressive. Gemini 2.5 Pro hit a 63.8 score on the SWE Bench Verify. That's better than previous Gemini models, and even rivals OpenAI's most recent GPT releases. And when it comes to multimodal tasks, things like summarizing meetings using audio and video, or generating code from a single line prompt, it performs incredibly well. But if you're focused on speed, cost effectiveness, Flash-Lite might be the real headline here for you. This version is built for teams, startups, and developers who need fast and reliable AI without draining the budget. It's lightning fast, super efficient, and still packs the Gemini punch for real-time tasks like classification, translation, and data processing. If you got lots of content to work through and you want it done quickly and affordably, Flash-Lite can get it done for you. Of course, performance is great, but not if it's going to compromise security. But fortunately, Gemini 2.5 doesn't cut corners there either. Up to date, it's one of the most secure AI models Google has ever released. DeepMind implemented advanced protection against injection attacks. This is when someone tries to trick the AI with malicious instructions. The model was also trained with challenging examples, it's gone through automated red teaming, and uses a layered defense in depth approach to keep your data safe. Whether you're a developer or a business user, that peace of mind is there. So what does this actually mean for you? Well, for developers, it means that you can now build smarter apps that reason, code, and handle huge data sets across multiple formats, whether that's text, video, images, you name it. For businesses, it's a game changer for automating workflows. Think smarter meeting analysis, better video understanding, faster code generation, all this with improved accuracy and security. And for everyday users, you'll start seeing more intelligent, context-aware features that show up in Google's ecosystem. Anything from search to productivity tools. Some of the big players like Snap and SmartBear are already using Gemini 2.5 in production. And you can try it out right now inside Google's AI Studio, Vertex AI, and the Gemini app. That was quite a lot of information, but here's the bottom line. Gemini 2.5 isn't just an upgrade. It's a clear signal that Google is doubling down on AI. For anyone who thought Google was falling behind, this looks like a strong comeback to me. Their big bets like building custom AI chips are starting to pay off. With smarter reasoning, stronger coding abilities, better security, and tools like Flash-Lite built for speed and scale, Gemini 2.5 is setting a new bar for what modern AI can actually do. Whether you're building apps, automating workflows, or just curious about where AI is headed, Gemini 2.5 is shaping up to be a big part of that future. If this helped you make sense of what's new and what's possible, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.